Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 8th, 2025. I'm gonna go out and take a look at the solar panels first, since we got some sun out today, which really feels good. It's 26 degrees Fahrenheit. The winds are not great today. But yesterday we got a fair amount of snow and really high winds. So that was problematic for getting work done over there, unfortunately. And it's a cold one today, and yesterday I did come out and clean off the solar panels as well. But I thought I'd come out and see if the wind has cleaned off the solar panels or if I got to clean them off. And then I'll get to work over outside. Got to be real careful with the wind these days with this, and the snow's covering up so much stuff on the ground where I'm working. It's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's not going to get above freezing today. So as we get out here into the food forest, the winds aren't so bad. So if the winds aren't too bad, I'll say a few things. So I've been in touch with the insurance company, and I contacted them and said, hey, you know, the senior claims representative said, hey, we sent you the proposal. What's the story? Can we go ahead and get the emergency repair work done on the building that's still standing? And she wrote me back. She says, I can't confirm that you can do that. She needs more information. That the other claims adjuster, Jacob, had come out and taken pictures and all. She needs his report. Okay, well, so you can see the difference between the newer solar panels that we had extended in 2015 versus the older ones, because as soon as they don't slide quite as easy with these ones. So I'm gonna go get the light snow sweeper there and clean these off, so we make a little solar energy here.
Snow's flying fast, can't see the road, can't see the past. Whiteout's got us locked in tight, another long and frozen night. The police are out, lights flashing red. Turn it around or get a ticket instead. They say stay home, don't even try. Ain't no use, just wait and ride. We're hunkered down, waiting it out. The storm is raging, there's no doubt. Snow's still falling, wind still strong, but we've been here all along. When the sky's clear, when the storm rolls past, Optimus Maximus will fire up fast. The drifts are climbing, burying the lane. Feels like winter's gone insane. Coffee's hot, fire's burning bright. Guess we're stuck in here tonight. Radio says roads are shut, no way through, the town snowed up. Sit tight and let the worst blow by, then we'll roll out, clear the sky. We're hunkered down, waiting it out. The storm is raging, there's no doubt. Snow's still falling, wind still strong, but we've been here all along. When the sky's clear, when the storm rolls past, Optimus Maximus will fire up fast. Fight goes on, we'll dig out before the dawn. Storms may hit, the cold may bite, but we're still standing every night. We're hunkered down, waiting it out. Snow's still swirling all around, but when it stops, you'll hear that sound. Optimus Maximus clearing town. snow, let it blow. We're ready when it's time to go. Winter's tough, but so are we. Just wait and see, just wait and see. Snow's flying fast, can't see the road, can't see the past. Whiteout's got us locked in tight, another long and frozen night. Police are out, lights flashing red. Turn it around and get a ticket instead. They say stay home, don't even try. Ain't no use, just wait and ride. We've seen the spending, the debts run high. Years of waste just passing by. But now there's change, a guiding hand, a leader listening to those who understand. Where's the money? Show us the books. Is it helping? Or lining crooks? We paid the price, we made the call. Did it reach the people at all? Now we're building lean and strong again, cutting waste. Where has it been? With wisdom, numbers, and a guiding light, we'll balance books and do it right. No more red tape, no more delay. Smart ideas are here to stay. A budget built on solid ground, with voices leading, tried and sound. Where's the money? Show us the books. Is it helping? Or lining crooks? We paid the price, we made the call. Did it reach the people at all? Now we're building lean and strong again, cutting waste. Where has it been? With wisdom, numbers, and a guiding light, we'll balance books and do it right. We're done with greed, we're done with lies. No more deals in dark disguise. Every dollar, every cent needs to go where it was meant. Now we're building lean and strong again, cutting waste. Where has it been? With wisdom, numbers, and a guiding light, we'll balance books and do it right. The future's ours, let's stand up tall, smart and strong, the best of all.
Well, it's a little too windy, too dangerous over there now. I pulled some of the boards out that were on top of Pepe, the Kawasaki mule, and pulled the overhead door out over here, placed it over there. Those are rafters I actually pulled out over here, but the winds keep kicking up and things are shifting out there. I was just watching when the big gusts come along up there, the area that the insurance company hasn't done an emergency repair on yet, just trying to get it sealed up. But you could see some of the T111 there and those studs moving back and forth. So too dangerous to be up in that building even right now, and I'm not going to risk it anymore until the winds calm down. If they calm down a little bit later, I can see the blocks are ripped away from the wall here that's on all the blueberry plants over here. And everything is just laying on top of the vehicles. All three, the Optimus Maximus, which is a Grand L6060 up front. Then Suki, the RTV, Kubota RTV, and then the Kawasaki there. And all my hydrants look like they're under the rubble. The chop saw is there as well. I'll take a peek out there in just a second here, get my gloves on. It's so much nicer inside the cab here. It looks like it's calmed down right now, but boy, I'll tell you, that's deceptive. Every time I think it's calmed down, those gusts really kick up. Overhead door opener there. Here's the entrance door on that side. Some of our tarps. Really hard to see. Tamper. Once saw battery backup system right up over there in that trailer. The water pump, 3-inch water pump there for pumping ponds or pumping anything big. Vibrator down here, pneumatic vibrator. Aluminum for the greenhouse. And a lot of stuff just blowing all over. Yesterday I spent a lot of time picking up stuff that's just blowing out of the shop all over. And I've got all the bundles of shingles for backup shingles. New ones, just like these ones here. So, see the Lincoln welder there, plasma cutter, the miller's over there too. Oh Lord. And the Avant 860i. Everything's right on top of that puppy. What the heck's going on here? This camera die? You can see it's part of the walkway, the mezzanine I had around here, that's all crushed down. Both sides. All the cabinets and tools are underneath those. So we'll see. Well, before the winds kick up anymore, this may be it for today's video. There's not much sense trying to film anything. A lot of this stuff, I just got to pick things up and get them into cover places that where they won't get blown away or get any further damage, less weather exposure. All right, folks, stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now.